Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to add and use a page to maximize learning in the classroom. To add a page to your course, go into your folder, click Add Materials, and Add Page. I want you to think of a page on Schoology like a powerful Word document, a resource you can give students that is one centralized place. So let's get started. Let's pretend I am teaching about writing thesis statements in my GED Language Arts class. What could I add to this page for my students to truly understand thesis statements and use this page as a resource throughout the school year? First, I'll start with some reading for my students to do. Maybe an excerpt like this, all about thesis statements and how we use them in essay writing. Then I'll add a YouTube video for my visual learners in the class. And now I want them to practice. Instead of giving them a paper copy or making an assignment for them to go to, I'll add a Google form directly onto the page. So how did I make this? And what other resources can you use to enhance this page? Let me show you. First, think of how you want students to learn this concept or skill. I added a reading by copying and pasting from my resource, but you could also add a link. Make sure your directions are very clear. I like adding a highlighter to emphasize what I want students to do. Read the excerpt below. Or maybe it's click on the link below. Take off the highlighter and put Purdue OWL, thesis statements, highlight that, add the link, make sure to open link in new tab, save changes, and now students have a link. If it highlights like that, just change that back to white. Now I want to add a YouTube video for my students to watch. So I'll put back on a different highlighter, maybe put it in bold, and put watch the video below. And for this one, I would go to Insert Content, YouTube, and then type in the video that I'm looking for, writing thesis statements. I found it, I'm going to check mark it, import, and import as embed. And it drops to the bottom. Now I want to add my Google form. So again, I'll add a different colored highlighter, and I'll put take the quiz. When your Google form is ready, you can go to the share button here and make sure the responder is anyone with the link. To copy the embed link for Google Forms, you'll go to More and Embed HTML. You can copy the link there. And here's the fun part. You'll switch to HTML, press Enter at the very bottom, paste your link, go back and click Save Changes, and voila! You'll have your excerpt, your YouTube video, and your Google Form quiz. To maximize this page even more, you can also add a PowerPoint. So we'll go into Edit the Page, and let's add it at the very bottom here. You'll click on Insert Content, OneDrive Resource App, click the presentation, and Import Embed. Let's see how that looks. So not only do you have a video, a Google form, but now you also have a PowerPoint to share as well. The best thing about using embedded content like the PowerPoint and Google Form is that if you forget a slide or a question on the Google Form, you can add it and it will update because it's a live link. So see how I only have one question here and I want to add another one. I'll go back to my Google Form and then press Add Question. And this time I'll ask a short answer question. I want students to write a thesis statement. No need to add the link again. I'll ask students to refresh the page, and when they do, they'll see my question. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.